What's up, y'all? Rob Russ here, Tools and Tech. So today we're going to polish a turd, aka make a car look good enough to sell. So I have back to black, some prep all, and a wet rag.
So just get a wet rag, wipe it. Then you just get your prep all, wipe it. Pretty dull. Let's spritz some of this. Wipe the wiper arms down, the cowl down. Here we go. Spritz it on. And this lasts a couple months. If you get an overspray, a little spritz spot, it's not paint, so you can just wipe it. It smells fantastic too. They put some kind of fragrance in there. Anyways, for more tools and tech, check out rawruss.com.